Hi everybody, this is Andrew from Pine Ridge Ford, and today I'm going to show you how to use our new pricing tool. So if you click on a unit, we're going to look at this 2019 GMC Yukon Denali, and as you scroll down, you'll see the What's My Payment button. If you click on that, it'll open up a payment calculator, and in here you'd put down the price that was listed on the previous page, which is $699.97. And if you wanted to put in a down payment, let's say you had $5,000 down, you put that in there and you just tab your way through. Your sales tax, if you are status, you can make that 0. If you are Albertan, you can change that number to remove the PST. Right now we have a flat an interest rate here of 10%. With interest rates going up and down, that's just a standard number that's in there. You can change that if you happen to know of a different interest rate that you are wanting to see what it looks like. And then you could change how long of term you want to do. Let's say you want to do a 7-year term. That would be 84 months. If you want to do a 48-month term, you just change that there. And then you can change it from every 2 weeks. You can change it to every week. You can do every month. You put that in, you'll get the following. So let's go bi-weekly. So here it shows $712 every other week, which would be your bi-weekly payment. And that's how you use our payment calculator on desktop. I'll do another video showing how to do it on your mobile phone. Talk to you soon. Thanks.